Hello, in this video I will show you how to work with NoTeam group in the Academy and how to configure access to the learner materials for them. Sometimes learners can be added in the Academy without adding in any team. In this case, they automatically be added in the NoTeam group. To access the settings of this team, open Manage Learners and Teams section and go to the Teams tab. Then open the NoTeam settings. There are two main tabs available here. In the Learners tab, you can see a list of all users who currently belong to this group. You can also view learners who were invited to the Academy without being assigned to any team and have not yet accepted the invitation. In the Course tab, you can configure the learner materials that will be available to these learners. To do this, check the box next to the required materials and click Save. This allows you to grant access to the necessary courses even without assigning learners to a specific team. This section also includes additional options. You can enable the feature to automatically add new content to the new team learners so that all new materials become immediately available to them. You can also enable Smart Teams function. In this case, a learner completes all available courses, they will automatically be added to another team according to the configured rules. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!